So if you've relapsed and you've ended up back on a bender, it can feel self-defeating. You can want to beat yourself up. But this is a great rule of thumb that I heard one time about relapse was that uh, if if you relapse, if whatever happened, life happens, and you slip up and you relapse, to just make it a one day thing and don't do it 2 days in a row, because on that second day, then that's when you're back in habit mode and being a part of your life again. So if obviously try to stay strong, but if you do slip up, then just keep it as that one day, and then back to normal, back to business the next day. Because what can happen with a lot of people who've done really good and then all of a sudden they slip up and they relapse is they can develop what's called the what the hell effect. This is a real termed phrase, the what the hell effect. It's when you basically, what the hell, I relapse, so, and next thing you know, you're on a full on bender for the next couple of months, drinking every day, all the time. And so don't let that what the hell effect take place. Catch yourself, let this just be a one day thing. Don't beat yourself up. And then the next day, just brush it off and move forward back to business again. All right. Hope you're all having a great day. Stay strong. Until next time, make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life.